Hey guys, Ben here with If Nutrition, and in today's video I want to talk to you about how you can utilise reverse dieting. Now, some of you may have already heard of reverse dieting. It is a strategy whereby we are trying to eat our calories back up basically. So especially if you have been on quite a hard cut for quite a long time, your metabolism will adapt. It will start slowing you down a little bit so that you're burning less calories. Basically just means that you will have to keep cutting harder and harder in order to see the same fat loss as you would have done previously. Now, one of the really cool strategies and ways in which you can target this is through reverse dieting, which is basically the process of slowly increasing your calorie intake back up so that your metabolism can just get back on track and back to where it was. So instead of it working really hard to try and minimize your movement, minimize the calories that you burn, you kind of start eating your calories back up. And it basically just resets your maintenance calories. So if, for example, you've been on quite a hard cut where you've kind of dropped 500 calories out and then that slowed down, but you still need to cut more. So you cut another 100, 200, 300, and suddenly you can find yourself like 800 calories down and your body's adapted and it's just not really burning very much fat. So what you would do in that case is every week you're going to try and aim to slowly increase those calories up. You only need to kind of increase them by kind of like 100 calories a week, and basically just keep, the only way you want to do that, by the way, is our protein targets should already be set. So we don't really need to increase our protein target. What we're going to do is slowly increase our fats and our carbs. And we're going to increase, if we say 100 calories a week, slowly we're going to monitor our weight gain, and what you'll find is that you will slowly start increasing your calories week on week, but your weight should stay about the same. You shouldn't be suddenly putting on a lot of body fat. If so, you are eating way too many calories over. As long as you're sticking to a low increase around 100 calories, you shouldn't really notice much increase in body fat. What you should notice is your metabolism starts getting better again, which means that you're able to consume more calories and still sit at around maintenance. What you want to do is then slowly increase these calories and keep working them up and up and up until the point that you start seeing a weight increase. You'll know then that you've kind of reached that point. You can then dial it back 100 calories or so, and that would be your new maintenance level. What you can do from there, if you've still got fat that you want to lose, you still want to get on a cut, you can then sit at maintenance for a while, kind of give it a few weeks to a month at maintenance, re-establish it, let it settle in, and then do a cut from that new maintenance calorie set target. So instead of before, where you're already on this low amount of calories, to then get a further cut, we would have to take more calories away, which is going to put your calories really low. You're going to be living in a place no one wants to live, on super low calories, not much fun. But by introducing a reverse diet, you've been able to slowly increase your calories back up, re-establish that maintenance level, and once it's established, then create a cut from there, which means then you're cutting into your new maintenance calories. So if you drop them down, you're still eating more calories than what you were on your cut before, yet you will start losing body fat again. So it's a really good, useful strategy, but you do have to be patient with it. So, you need to be tracking, you need to be keeping an eye on your weight and your body fat, making sure that you're not consuming way over the extra 100 calories. Because if you do, you will probably start to put on a little bit of extra body fat while your body catches up. Also, when you do hit your new maintenance and you back it off slightly, make sure you just sit there for a bit just to make sure it's kind of locked in a little bit, and then you can introduce your new cut and start that drop again, or just sit at maintenance or go on to a little gain, whatever it is that your goal is in mind. So I hope you found that useful. I'd love to know if you've tried reverse dieting and how effective you found it, or what pitfalls you found with it. As always, hit me in the comments below and let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.